Today I will be making a pineapple upside down latte. Brown sugar I'm going to be using. Inside this cup I already have my coffee. I have some pineapple rings, some cherries. I'm going to be using some salt, 1% milk, but you can use any type of milk. My heavy whipping cream, a teaspoon of butter, sauce of butter, but you can use any kind. Let's get started. I have that on medium heat. Put it inside this pan. So I'm going to put some of my brown sugar, sprinkle it on top. I think I want to caramelize the pineapples, but I also want to make some juice as well, some syrup that's going to go inside of my drink. Smart, ain't it? So I'm going to go ahead and add the juice from my... I'm going to put a little bit of the cherry syrup in here. I ain't gonna tell you which shop it was. Let me know which one it was. And I see some pineapple syrup. I didn't get it. However, I said I'll make my own. I'm gonna go ahead and put some coffee in here. I'll put some of my syrup in here. Alright, now I'm put some of my milk in here. I am taste a little bit to see. Yeah, but don't taste as sweet. That's crazy. I gotta put more sugar in it. And if y'all watch my channel, yeah, I got a new one. I'm go ahead and pour this some more. Alright, let me taste it again. Okay, this tastes better. Put in one of the... I want to get a cherry. Alright. Okay, now the ice. Alright, now I'm going to pour in my coffee. I'm going to froth it in this. So I'm going to take some of my whipping cream. So I'm trying to get some of the juice from what I made earlier. I was going to put some cherry juice, but since the mixture already got like the color from the cherry, I don't want the... Now I'm going to go ahead and put my... Alright, about to get into it. Yeah, it do taste like the pineapple, but it's not as sweet as people like. Here she go with this. And there I go. And is now these are the best out of all the latte / iced coffees that I made. No, but it's still good though. Pineapple with the cherry juice. Maybe I should just did it separately. I don't know, but it's definitely not as sweet as I would want it. What would I rate this? A 9. Just like either or, like put just the cherry. I'm gonna try this again. Now as I get in like to the bottom, I'm done now. To the bottom, it tastes a lot better. I think because I'm mainly tasting the cream and only, the cream only got the pineapple juice and the caramelized brown sugar. It's not bad at all, but it can be perfected. I want you to come out. Let me get my hand, cause you think I'm playing with you, and I'm not. I'm out the. You know how your parents tell you to come here, and you do. Cause baby, this good right here.
A few moments.
All right, take 2. I want to try this again. I still got a little bit of cream, but I drank all of that, stuff. So I made it again, but this time I only made it with juice and brown sugar, a little bit of the syrup that was already on the pineapple that I heated up, should I say? Did I put some in this? I don't know if I did, but let's do it again. All right, I didn't taste this yet, so I don't know how it tastes. The foam is already on there. You're gonna let it rip again. And I don't know why I put that other thing at the bottom. Ain't like y'all could have seen it. You can see the little red things, but that's about it. Can you see the pineapple? Okay. seems like it would taste better, but I need more sugar. It need more sugar, y'all. I'm sorry. It gotta be to my liking, not guys. Y'all want to chill like it, then make it yourself too. Shake, shake, shake. And say shit, God, huh? I'm tired of you not being sweet. I think I like this a little bit better. I know it would be better without the red juice. Just more the pineapple. Still got the sweetness. Even though I had to put more sugar, but I would say do it like this. Leave the cherry juice out. However, if you do the cherry juice, use it for the foam only. Don't use like the foam with the, I don't know. I didn't try with the cherry. I feel like if it tastes like, yeah. So just do one or the other. Do the foam either as just the pineapple like I did, but you can use the brown sugar as well, syrup, or just use the cherry. But you can also use that with the brown sugar syrup as well. To use them both together. I don't know, it might taste kind of like how this tastes. Which wasn't bad, not this, but the one before that. It wasn't bad, but it was not my best. But this actually tastes better. It go up. It's high, but why not a 10? Maybe because I had to do it again. I've been ramen. And then also too, I didn't have to put this at the bottom, like, you can never see it. So I'm gonna give it like a 9.8, y'all. But please try this recipe. You like pineapple upside down, right side up. And you like iced coffees, lattes. Hit this recipe up.